Hey team, I wanted to do a quick video on, are you sharing the business side of Plexus? Okay, if you're like me, the very first time I got into it, I was scared to death, y'all, seriously. I did not want to share the business at all. I was like, I am not going to share this. I'm just going to share the products, and I'm not going to share with my friends because I don't want them to think that I want to make money off of them. And so I did not even share the business for like over a year, guys, seriously. So I don't want you to make the same mistake that I made. So don't be afraid to share this amazing opportunity with your friends, with those moms that want to stay home, with homeschool moms, because guys, it is really blessing so many people, including myself, okay? What could $300, $400, $500 or more dollars do for you or someone else? For us to sit on this opportunity and not share it, it's really, really selfish, okay? Because this business is like no other, and I know that you're realizing that. Don't be scared about what people are going to think about you guys, okay? If you're thinking, oh, well, I'm not going to share it with so-and-so because she's going to go, oh, well, she just wants to make money off of me. Wrong, wrong, wrong. That's not it, okay? Guess what? You share this opportunity, they share it with other people, and then those people share with others. Oh, now we're building a team. It is going to bless them as well as you. So don't think what it can do for you. Think what it can do for them, okay? It's about them, not us, right? So what these products can do for the masses, we already have seen how these products are blessing people and they're working, okay? We have something that no business has. Products that are life-changing, products that work for the masses, okay? And a compensation plan like no other. So get out there, share these products, and don't forget about the business opportunity. It is that big, okay? Don't make the mistake that I did and be scared of what other people are going to think of you. It is going to bless them, I promise you, okay? There are so many moms that are working 8-to-5 jobs that want to be in your place, that want to be in our shoes. I promise you. So don't be scared, okay? I have found that I have shared the opportunity with a few people, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to go out of my comfort zone and do this. Guess what? They wanted to work the business. So don't assume, oh, well, they're not interested, or they don't really, I don't think they would do it. Don't assume, okay? Get out there and share the opportunity. You never know who you might bless. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you, and I hope it's very helpful for you. Have a great day.